Hi folks, one of the most frequently asked questions we get here is how often should I service my car? And with this blog, we're going to try and answer that question as best we can for you. Now, throughout my career in the motor trade, I've seen a lot of moves by car companies to cut costs and increase sales. Some successful and some not so much. As a technician, one of the most frustrating sales gimmicks I've seen happening over the last few years is a gradual increase in service schedules. These increases can be up to 20,000 kilometres and all the way up to 60,000 kilometres for some commercial vehicles. Their sales pitch: less servicing, cheaper motoring. It also means they can either give you or sell you a cheap service pack when you're buying your new vehicle, which would sweeten any deal. But when your car or van starts having issues because of these skimpy service schedules, how cheap will your motoring be then? What they don't mention, and is written in most manufacturers' handbooks, is that these long service schedules are only relevant in normal driving conditions. The fact is, these normal driving conditions are almost non-existent, and especially not in this country. By the very nature of our road structure and climate, our vehicles are subjected to severe driving conditions. With severe driving conditions, vehicles need to be serviced more regularly to ensure components are kept checked and well lubricated. So to answer the question, how often should you service your car? Our advice is every 10,000 miles, 15,000 kilometres, or every 12 months, whichever comes sooner. This is a subject we could go on all day about, but the bottom line is, long service schedules are a false economy and only benefit the manufacturer, and could jeopardise your vehicle's reliability and most of all, your safety. If you have any questions on this topic, you can drop us a line to info@blueprintautos.ie. Thanks for watching.